Under the moon and the quiet sky so clear, a whisper of hope is all I hold near. Every breath, every word, a humble call, guided by mercy, the one above all. Through the path with thorns where shadows creep, I tread with faith, my soul does leap. Hands raised high with a heart sincere. Every moment I know He's near. Oh, eternal light that shines so pure, guide me always, your love is sure. No riches I see, no crown to wear, just your mercy forever, everywhere. In the stillness where the silence stays, I find my solace in whispered praise. From the sunrise to the stars,